Check the description for links to supplies in this video.
All right, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel and to this video. We're going to be reviewing this portable jump starter in this video. Our recent one, my last one actually failed on me and the battery started bulging. I had to recycle it, but it lasted like several years and I used it a couple of different times, so it's definitely worth it. So it was time to replace the jump starter, and this is what I ended up going with. This is the brand you can see, and it's a little smaller and less expensive than the other one that I had. I'll put a link to the original one that I was super happy with. The big question is, will this one start the car? And how else does it look? So here it is unboxed. You can see we've got pretty simple stuff here. The jump starter itself, the jumper cables, a charging cable, and the instructions. Let's take a closer look. These are the jumper cables. The cables themselves are not super long, which is kind of annoying to me. And you'll see here in a minute when we get this thing all hooked up, but obviously we want to charge it up first and foremost, because who knows how long this thing has been sitting. The battery indicator said 3/4 charged to fully charged, but we're going to go ahead and top it off anyway. It does not come with a wall adapter, so just the black cord there, the white adapter, is mine, so you'll need to take that into account. Let me take a moment and welcome you to the channel. Click that subscribe button, do lots of home projects around the house. Nothing's off limits, saving you time and money. Like this video if it ends up helping you out, and share this with somebody that you know. And real quick, if you want to turn your hobbies into cash just like I'm doing, I'm going to show you how I built a course that shows you from start to finish how to build your own YouTube channel with no startup costs and no prior experience. Check the link in the description below. And with this bad boy fully charged, we'll bring it out into the garage. I'm going to be working on my Subaru Forester here, 2011. The battery's a couple of years old now, so we'll go ahead and get this thing, the key turned, so you can see that it is a fully charged battery. We're going to intentionally have a little fun here, intentionally drain the battery. So let me turn on the lights and turn on the fan and the headlights as well. And we'll just leave the door kind of open, headlights on. And we'll just kind of hang out like that. And without the vehicle started, the battery will, all that power is relying directly on the battery with no way to charge it. So it'll definitely, those high beams, it'll definitely drain that battery pretty quickly. So we'll leave the hood open and we'll kind of walk away. We'll leave it there until I notice that the lights are off and the fan stops blowing. All right, here we go. We're back. It's been about, 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. Lights are off, and let's go ahead and turn the key just to make sure that we don't have any. Oh yeah, nothing, baby. That is a dead battery. And that's what I want. Okay, so will this new portable jump starter do the trick? This is a 12-volt battery, again, on a Subaru Forester. And let's get this thing hooked up here. So the idea is that you have this in the back of your trunk or something, right? And oh, you've got a dead battery, and you don't need another vehicle to jumpstart for you. So let's put that charging cable away. We don't need that. And we have the positive and the negative terminals. You want to read the instructions really well for whichever one you end up going with, because it'll tell you specifically what to do and what not to do, right? That is always important. Safety first, always, always. This is some pretty high voltage stuff here. So I read the instruction manual, and it's got this little cover, and you're going to put this little, the black end just into the unit like that. And it's actually a little blue end, but the black big piece. We'll give you a closer look here in a minute, but we're going to be in this particular unit. The instructions say hook up the positive terminal first. So we'll give it, and I kind of wiggle it like that so it kind of bites. If I've got any corrosion on the terminals themselves, I want that to kind of edge or bite through, so it's metal on metal. We've got fully charged unit. You can see the 4 blue bars there, LED light, the top of your top right of your screen. And we're going to click that boost button, and it'll give you the green light on the boost button. Again, I'll give you a closer look here in a second. Hang with me. And then we'll start it up. Oh yeah, baby. Easy. That was easy. There was no vroom, vroom, vroom. It just started right up. And we're going to leave it running. We'll go ahead and disconnect it, reversing the disconnection process with negative first, then positive, and then we can disconnect this piece like that. Let me give you a closer look at the actual end piece of the jumper cables. See that button? And if you've got it wrong, it'll give you a red light. So if you've got like the black terminal, if you've got them crisscross positive and negative, it'll let you know. And there's certain rules, like to prevent it from overheating. You should wait like 36 seconds or 60 seconds in between intervals, but in this case it started right up. There's a closer look of plugging it in. And it does have a flashlight, by the way, and some USB chargers, so if you want to like charge your phone or something, I think it can do that, but we're not going to be testing that particular piece because I didn't really use that feature with my previous one. This just sits in the back of the car, and I just use the jump starter feature if I need it. And it comes with this little soft bag. It's not a hard bag. I wish it came in a hard bag, but that's okay. I'm not really throwing it around or anything like that, so as long as it's all contained in one bag, I'm pretty happy with that. And so again, the idea is that you put that in the back of your trunk, and hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks.